Okay, y'all, so get into it. This is how I did the little designer bag party favor gift boxes or whatever you want to call them. So what you want to do is you want to go to Cricut Design Space, and then you want to go over here to Shapes, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to Search for More. Click on that. And then the box that I used was this one. I seen this one. This is $1.99. And if you know me, I don't have Cricut Design Space or full access or whatever it's called, Cricut Access. I don't have that. And you know, I'm cheap. I'm a cheap crafter, so I try to save as much money as I can. So what I did was I went ahead and clicked on this. I added it to my canvas. Excuse me. So then once it loads onto your canvas, what I did was, and if you want to buy it, go ahead, be my guest, but I didn't buy this. So what I did was I went down here, excuse me, I went down here in the corner to contour, clicked on that, and then, oh, let me go back. So what I did was I duplicated the image first. My bad. Duplicated the image. And then over here, I went to contour. So I clicked on one of the images, and then I went down here to contour. And then, so I clicked on this one. I guess it hides all contours or something. I don't know. So you click on the top one, and then you go ahead and you click the X. And it just leaves you with these score lines or whatever. This is what it leaves you with. So then, what I did was, I went ahead and selected both of these and stretched it as far as I could. Okay. So we'll do it about like that. And then we'll hide, let me see. We will hide this one. We'll hide the cut lines. And then so what I did was I took a screenshot of it. So if you don't know how to take a screenshot on your computer, I have just a regular Windows computer. So what I did was you want to hit print screen, and then you want to hit control print screen. So hit control and then print screen again. And then that's going to take the screenshot. So then I'll go over to my Paint app. And you're going to want to, let's see, then you're going to want to paste it in here. So to paste it, you're going to hit Control V. So hit Control, I'm trying to do it with, okay, so we'll do Control and then V. And then it'll paste it on there. Oh, hold on 1 second. I did something wrong. Let me go back. Okay, so let me go back to my Cricut Design Space. And then I'm going to do print screen, control print screen. And then I'm going to go back to my paint. And I'm going to hit control V. Control V. Okay. So then there's your image. So then you're going to want to crop it. So hit crop up here in the top corner over here to the left. You're going to crop it. Okay. And then you're going to hit crop. And then you're going to hit save. Save. Yeah, that's fine. And then so go back to Cricut Design Space. You're going to move that out of the way. Close that. We don't need that no more. So then we're going to unhide our cut lines. And we're going to drag it over here. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do print screen. We're going to do print screen and then control print screen. And then we're going to go back to paint. We're going to go to new. And then we're going to hit control V. Control V. We're going to paste it in there. And then we're going to crop that. Hit crop. And then we're going to save. So we'll just save this as cut 1. Okay, we'll save that. And we're going to go back to Cricut Design Space. We're going to go to replace. Go to upload. We're going to go and get those images. So let's do the cut lines first. We're going to go to that, hit complex, hit continue, and then we're going to erase the background. We're going to clean it up completely. Then we're going to go to apply and continue, and then we're going to save it as a cut image. Hit upload. Okay, so then we're going to go back and we're going to get our box. Here's our box. Open, hit complex, continue. We're going to remove the background. And then there's a little bit of, let me see. Okay, there's a little, second. We're going to erase that. Okay, then we're going to hit apply and continue. And then we're going to save this as a cut image. Upload it. We're going to select the box and the cut lines. Hit add to canvas. Okay. So let's change it back to the mint green color. Let's make this small. Okay. So we got our box and we got our score lines. We're going to send the score lines to the front. Put them on top. And then we're going to select both. And we're going to hit align, center. It centers the cut lines for you. So then you're going to select both. And you're going to go down here and hit slice. Okay. And then we're going to get rid of our unwanted items. So you're left with this box and your cut lines. So what I did was, when you do the small purses, because they're not that big, what you want to do is upload, and let's just use this bag here. Add to canvas. And you want to make the width of the purse 6.75. And then this will be the size of your bag. So what I did was I just basically just measured my purse to the cut lines, because this is where it's going to fold at. These flaps on the side, that's where it's going to fold. So I measure it to like the inside of the cut lines. So you kind of want the bag, the image, to overlap those cut lines. So we want to make this a little bigger. And I would say that would be, let's see, that would be a good size for me right there. And this is 7.246 by 7.308. But I went ahead and saved my other template. Let me go to my projects. And I saved that. So we're going to customize. Oh, also when you're making the bag, you want to duplicate whatever bag you want to use, duplicate it. And then you're going to mirror the other one, because there's going to be a front and back. You want to mirror it. And then you want to make 2 cut files. So these are going to be print and cuts right here, and then these 2 are going to be just your cut files. And then you got your box. You got your box. So anyway, let me zoom in so I can show you. So these are already sized. So this one's 6.75 by 6.808. And like I said, that's the biggest that you can make it when you do a print and cut in a Cricut Design Space. So the box, the actual box that you're going to be cutting out, that is 8.144 by 6.646. And those are my measurements for the gift box bags. And they're really, really, really cute. My next thing is I want to learn how to do the bigger gift box bags. So I hope this tutorial helps. Sorry for the ghetto-ness. I have to record this way for right now. I don't have a microphone. But yeah, let me know if this helped. Hopefully it doesn't get banned or deleted. But that's how I did my gift boxes. Thank you for watching.
I'm obsessed. These designer bag party favor boxes turned out so super cute.